Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we will learn English by listening to a story. So just relax, listen carefully.
Sometimes the most ordinary nights teach us the most important lessons. This is the story of The Last Bus Home. It was almost midnight. The rain was falling softly on the empty streets. Daniel stood at the bus stop, his jacket damp, his eyes tired after a long day at work. He sighed. All he wanted was to go home. Next to him stood an elderly woman. Her hands trembled as she held a small bag of groceries. Inside, just bread, milk, a few apples. Nothing fancy, just enough to get by. Daniel offered a gentle smile. "Long day?" he asked. The woman looked up, her face lined with years of life. "Yes," she whispered. "I take care of my husband. He's sick. So I shop at night after work." Daniel felt a heaviness in his chest. He had been thinking only of himself, his tiredness, his problems. But this woman carried something far heavier, the weight of love and responsibility. Finally, the bus arrived. They sat across from each other, the only passengers on board. The bus hummed through the rainy streets, the lights flickering on wet windows. Daniel watched as the woman held her groceries tightly, as if they were treasures. He realized they were. They meant care. They meant devotion. They meant love. At the next stop, she stood up slowly, pressed the button, and turned to Daniel. Her eyes were kind, but tired. "Take care of the people you love, young man. In the end, that's what matters most." And then she was gone, stepping into the rain, disappearing into the night. Daniel leaned back in his seat, silent. A lump formed in his throat. For the first time in a long while, he didn't think about being tired. He thought about love. He thought about gratitude. And he promised himself, "Tonight, I will call my mother." Life's lessons often arrive quietly, on rainy nights, on empty buses, through the voices of strangers. Sometimes they remind us what truly matters.
Thank you for watching. So friends, listening to stories is a great way to learn English. Did you enjoy this story? Write your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English stories. See you in the next video.